Okay, good morning, all of you. Simran and Jyoti, turn on your video. There is
Good morning, sir.
not a network problem, then you can turn it on. Uh, Simran, Jyoti, if you don't have any network issues, so you can turn on your video so that we can start the session accordingly. Why others has not participated in the meeting? Uh, Jyoti, I've seen that you are not participating since I think last 1 week. Why? Everything is well? Okay, turn on your videos, all of you, so that we can start the session accordingly. If you don't have any network issue, if you have, so you can turn it off. Not an issue with that, right? So, okay. So fine, we will start without wasting more time. Students, as we have discussed about the installation and configuration of Linux 15.04, right? So today we are gathered here to discuss about the, the Ubuntu version 18.04, right? So let us have a look. I'm gonna share a screen with you. Let's go through with that screen and have a look. Right. So I hope you all are just seeing that screen, that whatever inside in the screen. So Simran, can you please read it? That what did you see over the screen? Simran, can you please read it? That what I have
Yes.
written.
Ubuntu 18.04
Yeah. Uh-huh.
Bionic Beaver
Beaver.
installation pattern.
Great, right. So it's Ubuntu 18.04. Exactly, it's not O, it's 0, but we read it like that if we are reading it, right? So Ubuntu 18.04 Bionic Beaver, right? So Sudhanshu, you have been installed this version, ना? आपने यही version install किया हुआ है ना, Sudhanshu?
No, sir, 20.04.
Fine, not an issue. But yes, we're here, or we make it a standard basically because we will do the installation practical of this version of Linux Ubuntu, right? So it's Ubuntu 18.04, and it would be named as in Bionic Beaver, right? So let us have a look on installation party. So it is containing 55 slides, right? So generally, देखिए, we have just commercial OS versus Linux, right? We have free software, we have Linux distribution, right? What we will cover basically, that what we will discuss under this whole entire presentation, we will discuss commercial OS versus Linux, free software, Linux distribution, install Ubuntu, let's use Ubuntu, and some more things that we will cover up under this, right? So just have a look. Essential freedoms of free software. That what are the essential freedom for using this free software. See, the freedom to run the program for any purpose, right? Study study how the program works and change it to make it do what you wish. ठीक है ना? Shudhanshu, yesterday we were talking about this open source and we thought that yes, whatever programming Linus Torvalds will did, so we can make the customization accordingly. यानी Linux का हम लोग कोई और वर्जन भी लॉन्च कर सकते हैं उसकी प्रोग्रामिंग में, क्योंकि ओपन सोर्स में इसका कोड भी अवेलेबल है, इजीली डाउनलोड भी हो जाता है और आप अपनी फिजिबिलिटी के हिसाब से उसी के किसी भी मॉड्यूल में किसी भी पार्ट में चेंज करके आप यू कैन रन इट अकॉर्डिंगली. ठीक है ना? Redistribute and make copies so you can help your neighbor, right? Improve the program and release your improvements to the public so that the whole community get benefited, right? So this was the essential freedom of using any free software or Linux, we can say, right? So then we have Linux distribution. Let us see that how it will get distributed. A Linux distribution is built around a package management system which puts together the Linux kernel, free and open source software, and often some proprietary software. There are approximately 600 Linux distributions. How many Linux distributions are? Approximately 600. See, this is not the exact figure. It might be more than 600, but not less than 600. Right. Now, how to install Ubuntu 18.04? You all are aware about this installation process? Yes, Shudanshu. You all are aware that how to install the Ubuntu, right? See, this is the process: make live USB, boot menu, right? Then we have insert USB key, then we have reboot, live boot or install Ubuntu or use Ubuntu. Okay, there was a term written over here. Okay, you all guys have internet issue. Jyoti, Simran and Sudhanshu, you all guys has internet issue because no one, not a single student has opened their videos. Why? Don't you think that these all the things, whatever activity we are doing inside over here, this will be uploaded on my YouTube channel? Na? So why you guys are turning off your videos? Just turn it on, or you have some internet issue? Not an issue. Okay, if you have, so don't take over, right? So my question is to Simran, Simran, that here, Simran, what do you mean by the live boot? What do you mean by the live boot? Can you please explain live boot? Okay, Sudhanshu, what is live boot, beta? Sudhanshu, just unmute your mic first and then speak. Sudhanshu.
Don't know, sir.
Don't know. Live boot. Anyone else? Live means, as name suggests. As name suggests, live means something which would be go live. See, we were talking about the live video, right? हम लोग Facebook में generally we did this live video, right? Live session or live YouTube session, right? So live means what? Live means होता है बेटा कि suppose you don't want to install the Linux on your operating system or sorry, on your machine or on your laptop or whatever you are having, right? So you can make it live boot through the USB, right? See, what you need the basically bootable pen drive of that particular operating system, that Linux, bootable pen drive of that sorry, bootable pen drive of Linux or bootable CD of Linux. You need to run that particular CD by connecting it in your media or in your USB port, right? And see, with the help of that, you can run your operating system just without installing it, right? Sudhanshu, are you getting my point? It means you didn't install the Linux on your system, but you are using it. Suppose my system is not having the Linux operating system. So what I need to do if I want to work or if I want to look after some version of the Linux, देखो क्या होता है ना generally, see, suppose you are wearing, you are going to buy some clothes in the market, right? So generally what happens, you just select your choice, post that you went to change room, right? And you just check whether that particular dress fits on your, fits on your entire body or not, right? Then after you make the selection that yes, now it looks good, right? I just brought it, right? Or I will brought it around, right? Simran, यही करते हैं ना? Simran Jaiswal. Simran Jaiswal.
Yes, sir.
यही करते हैं ना, कभी मार्केट में कभी अपने लिए जीन्स लेने जाती हो तो यही होता है ना जनरली कि यार यू जस्ट चेक वेदर द फिटिंग इज ओके, वेदर दैट कमर सही है या इसका मतलब सही जच रही है, देन ओनली यू बाय इट ना, यही करते हो ना, राइट? सो द सेम थिंग विद दिस, दैट सपोज any version of Linux or any version of Ubuntu is being released into the market and you want to check that yes, that how much feature it contain, or what are the different kind of features which is being provided by 18 dot Ubuntu 18.0.4. So we want to cross check with the help of the pen drive only, without installing it on your machine, right? First check out the feature. If you say that yes, now it's okay, I need all these features whatever this operating system can, and suppose that you can install it onto your system, right? So that is somehow known as an live boot. Any confusion? Shudhanshu, now it is clear, beta. Live boot is clear, na Shudhanshu?
Yes, sir.
Great, right. So we have use Ubuntu, how to use Ubuntu, right? Acha, same thing. I would like to explain you students over here. What is live USB? See, a live distribution is a Linux distribution that can booted from removable storage media inserted of a hard disk drive. Are you getting my point? यही है वो जो मैंने बताया अभी, या कुछ और है? Yes. अच्छा, देखिएगा, you can download the Ubuntu desktop. Basically, this was the direct link to download the Ubuntu desktop 18.04 LTS. Right. Post that, you can create the bootable USB Ubuntu with startup disk creator. Right. Then this is what create bootable USB विद विंडोज. आप विंडोज में ऐसे करते हैं, देखिए मैंने आपको बताया था हम लोग कौन सा एप्लीकेशन यूज करते हैं विंडोज में, रूफस का यूज करते हैं, और लाइनक्स में अगर करना है तो वी कैन यूज दिस टूल बेसिकली, ठीक है ना, मेक स्टार्टअप डिस्क, ठीक है ना, यहाँ पे बिल्ट इन फीचर है, राइट. This is the interface, basically UI interface. It contains the various files, directories or subdirectories, whatever it contains, right? Then we have booting from USB. Acha, how to boot a Linux from the USB, right? Let us have a look. See, to get into boot menu, first reboot. सबसे पहले आपको first reboot करना है and press escape F12, F10, F2, del और other key mentioned on the screen. कोई सी भी, ठीक है. Then आप देखिएगा यहाँ पे हमने क्या करना है. This was the BIOS option of Windows operating system. Windows का ये BIOS. You have to see whether that configuration whatever is required to install the Linux operating system is exist on that machine or not. ठीक है ना, जो भी आपको कल स्टैंडर्ड कॉन्फ़िगरेशंस बताए थे, ठीक है. आपको फर्स्ट बूट डिवाइस बनाना है, ठीक है. अब आप क्या करिएगा, फर्स्ट बूट डिवाइस किसको बना दीजिएगा, उस यूएसबी को या उस सीडी डीवीडी रोम को जिसमें कि आपने इंस्टॉल किया हुआ है Linux, ठीक है ना. नाउ सेव चेंजेस, पुट द यूएसबी ड्राइव इनटू द यूएसबी विद लाइव ubuntu एंड रिबूट, ठीक है ना. रिबूट कर दिया, ठीक है. अब देखिएगा, सी दिस इज हाउ यू नीड टू चेक. कल भी मैंने आप लोगों को बताया था, यू हैव टू चेक द लैंग्वेज फर्स्ट, देन what you are trying to do, you need to install that Ubuntu, installation of Ubuntu. Post that, you have to check the keyboard layout, then you have update other software, and then installation type, right. Then you have to choose the key, right, the password we can say, right. Then this is what, just it will ask you to continue. Then you have to select your region, that where you are residing right now. Then you have to type the name, computer name or username, whatever it is, right. And finally it will welcoming you to the Ubuntu, right. And finally it will ask you to initiate the restart, right. Click on restart now, right. Once it will get restarted, so the window will appear in front of you, is just like that, 18.0.4, 18.04, Ubuntu 18.04, right. And you got this username whatever you have been specified during the installation, like that, right. Just click on this name option, right. It will ask you to type your credentials, type your password, security password, high security password, whatever you have been provided, right. And you got this screen in front of you, right. What's new in Ubuntu, right. So this is all about the new features with which is being contained by Ubuntu 18.04. We have app button, we have launcher, we have Windows switcher, we have application menu, clock and calendar, right, system menu, and close button, right. So these all are the different categories of button, and the appearance looks like that, right. Acha, see, a live patch was there, right, that help improve with Ubuntu was there, right. This is all about the application software which you generally found in Windows operating system. So you get it over here. As we have VLC was here, Spooty was here, Stack was here, Discord was here, Idea Community, Aura, Notepad Plus, Task, Messaging, Coral, Corelbird was there. So every applications you get it over here, right? So it will show you a kind of this type of presentation as it is, right? Then there is a terminal basically. Generally, what we will do, that why we are using terminal, that to writing the code. Terminal is nothing but it is just like a DOS screen, right? And what generally you did with the terminal, right? You did the programming with the help of this particular terminal. What do you need to do? Sudo apt update or upgrade, right? If you want to update, you can update it. If you want to upgrade it with the new version, so you can upgrade it. It will directly get upgraded, right? Then we have, these are the application, featured applications. So you find it all these applications which you generally are using mostly with the Windows operating system. Then after we do have this dock, right? That you can increase the dock size. We have these all other tools, as we have, let's suppose, genome tweaks, right? So we have these all themes and all, right? Which you are want to change, that you can change it accordingly. Okay. We have workspace switcher, right? Um, I think Shubhanshu, you have already gone through all these options, whatever I was explaining over here. Shubhanshu, have you gone through with all these options which I am explaining you over here?
Yes, sir.
Have you seen all these options? Great.
Yes, sir.
Next, we have application switching. For the application switching, as generally we are using with, as we are using with MS Windows, na, Alt Tab, right? It switch like that, right? Something like that. So this is how you can switch the application accordingly over here in this particular platform, right? So how to switch the application. Post that we have this option, that is shortcuts, right? So these are the various shortcuts to access the thing. As we have switched between applications, Control Alt Tab, Alt plus this star switches of current applications, right? Then we have additional privacy settings. Let us have a look on the privacy setting, which is very important, right? If you're talking about the security, that is very important. What we need to do, we need to click on the setting. There is the option privacy and there was the problem reporting option. Okay, na? So you need to enable this problem reporting option, and for that you can prepare the security, right? Let us check the in the terminal sudo apt purge popularity contest, ठीक है ना, apt purge aborted port, ठीक है ना. So these all are the various kind of commands, ठीक है ना. How to update ubuntu 16.04, ठीक है ना. So this is how you can update the ubuntu 16.04. What you need to do, you need to launch update manager, software updater, setting updates, notify me for new ubuntu version, for any new version, for long-term support versions, click on close and finally click on okay. So this is how you need to update with that that the existing version of that ubuntu, right? And you can convert it into 15. From 15.04 to this 18.04, right? We have launch update manager, software updater, or we have upgrade. This is how you can update. This is how you can upgrade, right? On the learn more, we have some other things. Ubuntu desktop guides. This is how you can select or you can search anything if you found any error, or if any error was reported from the Ubuntu community, Ubuntu online community. There was an online community for this. ठीक है ना. You can click on edx.org, right? So you got some tutorials, you got some some good explanation of this Linux, because this community was very important. Shubhanshu, make sure that you may join, because I have already enrolled myself for edx.org, right? It will notify you to know about the various versions or various various release of Linux operating system, or various customizations or upgradations which Linux has been done on their this Ubuntu platform, right? So That's all, students. So this was fun basically. This was fun means what we can say that this was nothing in terms of the Linux operating system if we are learning Linux operating system. I hope this entire process which I have been explained for your convenience is clear to all of you. If you do have any kind of confusion, you feel free to ask me about it. Simran, can you please ping me on this? Can you please ping me, Vita? Simran.
Yes, sir.
Can you please ping me on the WhatsApp so that I can do share that entire process with you, and
Okay, sir.
you have a look on that particular whole process which I have explained it to you earlier, right? So just ping me with the WhatsApp so that I can share this PPT with you, and you just have a look on that, right? You ping it.
Yes, sir.
And the students, for your kind information, I hope you all received it from my status that I have started working on my YouTube channel, and parallelly I was posting the video which we are taking inside the class, na, under that under that uh, under that YouTube channel. So if you didn't subscribe my channel, so just subscribe it, right? Like it, share it with your friends, and promote it as much as possible, right? What I'll do, whatever I'll take the class, and suppose you have been forgotten to attend anything during the session, so you just get it downloaded from our YouTube channel, or you can watch it from our YouTube channel so that you can have a look on that particular thing, right? So how many of you have subscribed to my YouTube channel? Shudanshu, did you
Yes,
subscribe?
sir. कर दिया.
What about others? और कितनों से करवाए? Yes. What about others?
तो न्यूज़ में आया था कॉलेज खुलेंगे 15 से.
Maybe. Can't say anything about it because I also seen that news which by which you are talking about, but not know that whether that news be right or not, because our CM Chief Minister Mr. Rawat, I can't say anything about whether he just take over the decision or whether he implemented the decision, that I do, right? So fine. Any other confusion? Okay, one thing I would like to ask you that why other guys are not attending the session, online session? Why? What was that problem? I just wanted to know. Uh, Shudanshu, did you talk with someone? Some of your batchmates, some of your class students? Anyone? Yes or no? Not
Yes,
yet?
sir.
Whom you have been talked about?
Sir, in group,
Okay, so
everyone.
what this is?
Nothing.
This is that this is not beneficial, not required, or some other opinion they do have, that yes, they thought that yes, the class must be not like that, it must be like that, or some other, whatever they expect from my side. Okay, anyways, let it be there. So I hope that you learned the today's session, or you learned the, lots of things throughout the session, right? So thank you so much for watching, right? Be safe, keep on learning, right? Stay healthy. Okay, thank you all of you. You can leave the session now.